greater than, less than. We have used these conditions to implement if and else. But Python offers many more conditions to simplify programming and implement it in real life problems. Python offers all these conditions and these are called as conditional operators. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python sessions. In this session, we will learn conditional operators in Python. So, this is the list of conditional operators available in Python. They are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and we also have equal to operator and not equal to operator. Here, greater than, less than are commonly used operators, but when we have to check the equality of two values, we use this equal to operator. Suppose we have two variables a and b. To check if they are same, we will write a equal to b like this. To check if the value of a is not equal to b, we will write a exclamatory mark equal to b. Here, explanation sign is pronounced as not. Well, I think this can be best understood with an example. Let's start an example to check whether a number entered is divisible by 4 or not. To do this, first we will accept the number, say n, with input function. Now we will convert the input using int function like this. To check if it is divisible by 4 or not, we will write if, then n modulus 4, then equal to operator and then 0. This means the remainder of n divided by 4 is compared with 0 because the modulus operators gives the remainder. In the next line, give an indent and print the message that number n is divisible by 4 like this. After this, write an else part to print the message that number n is not divisible by 4. Before we run this program, look at the if statement. Here we have used an expression n modulus 4. So the expression output will be compared with 0. If the value of n is divisible by 4, the remainder will be 0. Then we will get the message that number is divisible by 4. Let's run the code and enter the value 20. Well, we got the correct output. Now, rerun the program and enter the value 21. The message in the else part is displayed. Now, let's modify the program to use not equal to operator. In if, we will change the equal to operator to not equal to operator like this. Also, we will have to change the message. The message in the if section will be number is not divisible by 4. And in the else part, the message will be number is divisible by 4. Run the program and enter the value 23. Well, the output is right. You can check the program for different numbers. Please remember, if you write n equal to 0, then n value will become 0. If you write n equal to 0, then n is being compared with 0. Well, now assume you got some insight into conditional operator. Let's see one more example to understand equal to operator. We will write a program that gives us the correct fare from Delhi to Mumbai based on the train type. Here, the train ticket is rupees 2500 if the train is Rajdhani. Otherwise, the ticket is rupees 1500. So, we will accept the train type as input. We will then write if statement with a condition train type equal to Rajdhani like this, followed by a colon. In the next line, give an indent and set the ticket variable value as 2500 like this. Then write the else condition and set the ticket price as 1500. Finally, print the ticket message from Mumbai to Delhi and then the value in the variable ticket. In this program, Rajdhani value is enclosed in quotes. Remember, when the variable and conditional value are of type string, it must be enclosed in double quotes. Let's run the program. Enter the value as Rajdhani. Well, this is our correct output. Listen, if and else plays an important part in programming. I don't think there is any professional program being written without if and else. Because real life problems are never simple. They have many if and else. As a programmer, we have to train our computer to make the right decision. We will have to learn much more about if and else in the upcoming sessions. Until then, please practice well. See you in the next session. Thanks.